Strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my end.
Hey guys, happy Friday. I'm not wearing my wig, but I have it outside just drying off, and my friend is coming over. She's bringing me a cup of coffee. I'm so loved. I'm so loved, Becky. So I'm just gonna continue with work. I don't have a lot of meetings today, so praise God for that. I'm just gonna do the things that I need to submit today, and then yeah, we're gonna go through to see Unolwazi. I'm still continuing with my ab workout, so look out for six-pack at the end of the month. I'm excited for that. But yeah, let's carry on with the day. Just uploaded my vlog for day 4. So yeah, hopefully everything goes well there. So hopefully everything goes well and that you guys enjoy. Please watch and share. I'd really appreciate it. So let's get into the day.
I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting. We got no time, and that's why I need a one dance. Got an energy in my head. One more time before I go. I have problems taking a hold on me.
Guys, I'm just jumping into a meeting that I was not ready for. But let's go and then we'll catch up later. Oh, hey guys, give me some 17. Oof, is my lens clean? Okay, so yeah, just got out of my meeting. You know, my job sometimes go interesting. But it's fine. I had such a wonderful girls morning today. I really enjoyed my time with my friend and Justin to reconnect. My lace is doing so much better, guys. Because the other days it was not looking great. So we are gonna just go see Nola today. Don't know if I should do it behind the ear, but it's fine. I haven't bought that spray glue, which would help me have or which would help have this lace laid even tomorrow. But let's see how it goes. But yeah, it's been an interesting week. I think I'm gonna do some work over the weekend, things that I couldn't touch, but at least my presentation we've submitted, it's all good. Let me show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing all blue today, and yeah, thought I should match and look cute and look really cute. But thank you so much, guys, for the engagement, for the comments, especially everybody who's commenting on Vlogtober, or even just like with the normal vlogs. Just, you know, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And yeah, I just hope things go well, man. I really hope that our channel can grow, right? It can get a little stressful, but it's fine. I mean, it's still doing very well considering, you know, a lot of things. But yeah, let's get into weekend mode.
Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting.
So I've been seeing like the Chris Brown tickets selling out, like, did they say in 2 hours? And it's so funny because one of you just asked me, and I just responded to a comment, if I'm going to the concert. Like, I used to be such a Chris Brown fan. Like, ngangimthanda uChris Brownie, and this was in high school, so this is like grade 11, grade 10, grade 11. And he, yeah, I think around 2010, 2011, between 2010, 2011, 2012, Chris Brown came to South Africa twice. And I went to both concerts because my mom was just like, my girl, you can't love this man so much and not see him when he's here. So I've got a funny story about that, because the first concert, I was super excited, like I was losing it. And my mom got me the ticket, but I decided to go with my friends. Worst mistake. Worst mistake. Because Sabaleti, and up in agenda with I want to be in the front. Sabaleti, I remember we were standing at the back, and the shoes that I'd bought to, clearly it was my first concert because I was wearing high heels. I mean, I know heel and being inappropriate is not to make sure. So we were late. I was really disappointed. So when the second time he came, and that time I was like, I don't want to talk to anybody. I don't want to buddy with anybody. I remember I went alone. I got there so early, stood in front, made sure that I had a position in the front, and it was amazing. I got to touch his hand. That's the second one I really enjoyed. But I think over the years I've grown out of my craze for Chris Brown, and yeah, now I'm just like, because I haven't even been like listening to his work. So I think Utando has faded away, but I hope people do enjoy. I think he will give a good show. I really think he's going to deliver a very good show. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. But I mean, I'm going to sit this one out. I'll catch the stories on the gram, because the thing is, I don't think there's a celebrity now that I would pay crazy money for anymore. There really isn't. There really isn't. So yeah, but that was my experience with Chris Brown. My days ended anyway, so I'm just gonna prepare myself to go out, and tomorrow I have some activities I need to do, and I'm gonna go get another birthday gift. So I have a voucher that I have to go claim, so I'll take you guys through that. It's gonna be really nice. So let's catch up later.
My baby don't mess around because he loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does he really wanna? I can't stand to see me going out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling.
And what am I saying? I don't want to keep search or something. Okay, and then
Yes,